Welcome to Friday Fix number 6. Today's video was inspired by an interesting topic that came up in class this week. Compounds. There are many meanings of the word compound. In fact, it's one of those homographs where compound is a verb and compound is an adjective or a noun. Total coincidence, honest. Compound, as a verb, means to put things together. Compound, as either an adjective or a noun, is the one you commonly hear in connection with grammar. These have two very similar meanings. They refer to something that's put together from different parts. Starting with the smallest unit, we have compound words. These are two or more words that are put together to form a new meaning. They can be separate words with a space between them, like hot dog. They can be two or more words with a hyphen between them, close up. Or they can be smashed together into one new word, baseball. The next level up is compound structures, such as compound subjects. The Martian and I plan these videos together. A compound subject means that there are two subjects in the same sentence. The Martian and I are both subjects. We do this action together. Anytime you start a sentence with something like, my friend and I, or my mom and dad, you have a compound subject. You can also double up other parts of a sentence. For example, you can have compound verbs. We like thinking up and making puns. Sorry. Or compound objects. We usually have tea and cookies when we're making a video for you. The last level we'll talk about is compound sentences. A compound sentence is one which contains at least two complete sentences. There can be more than two, but let's keep it simple today. On the weekends, many of my students visit their friends, but others just stay home and relax. There are two whole sentences in there. The first, on the weekends, many of my students visit their friends. The second, others just stay home and relax. In between them is a comma and the word but. Oh dear, what have I done? I said but. It's easy to make a compound sentence. You need just 4 things: a sentence, a comma, a coordinating conjunction, and then another sentence. A coordinating conjunction, you say? But that sounds difficult. No, it's actually quite simple. There are just 7 different coordinating conjunctions. And, but, or, nor, so, for, yet. Or, like this adorable poster points out, fanboys. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now you can remember them forever. Put it into practice. How many compound words can you think of? Check the links below and try to learn a few new ones. Practice writing your own compound subjects, verbs, and sentences. Did you notice? That was a compound object there. Have a great weekend and keep your eyes peeled for more examples of compound words, sentences, and structures. You probably use compounds more often than you think.